do you think it, when you said like the health affect the health of the other teeth, so what do you think it's going to happen to the rest of the teeth, or maybe even the teeth on the top?
Eventually, just create complications.
And the tooth on the top will start moving as well, correct? Because you don't have an opposing tooth.
Yes, yes. I mean, it will start shifting the bottom teeth and the top teeth. That top tooth would have no partner, so it starts coming down and changing the way you bite.
So speaking of the biting, then you won't be able to eat well either.
No.
That is critical too, right? Being able
Correct.
to chew.
Correct.
All right, fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Appreciate
doctor.
it. Yeah,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you. Yeah.